You know, guys, they say for an enthusiast, the build is never complete, blah, blah, blah. But I got to be honest with you, I think I'm done. I think I'm finally at a place where this thing is perfect and I wouldn't change a Psych, it never ends. Now, guys, today we are going to be installing the GR Cup hood vent from ANSICS Auto. And before you start talking about resale value in the comments, just know we're going to make this look OEM as fuck. It's going to be great. ANSICS has an awesome design. There's no visible hardware. They make it look basically like it's from factory. And that's because they actually model their design off of the big boys. Those are the GR Cup cars that are racing in the GR Cup series. Shout out Keanu Reeves. He's just side questing at this point. I don't know why he's racing, but I'm happy to see it. Now, to be honest, guys, I was originally going to buy a vented carbon fiber hood, but some of us already hit our carbon budget cap for 2026, and it's only March.
You're broke! You're fucking poor!
So I decided, you know, you can probably get most of the benefits of a carbon fiber vented hood with just a hood vent, with the exception of the weight reduction and obviously some street cred at your local park and chill. But like I said, upsides, you're still lowering your engine bay temperature, you're releasing some of that higher pressure air, and as a result, you're actually getting better front end downforce. More importantly, you get none of the downsides. I'm talking about the stuff that nobody thinks about, right? Like delamination, carbon fading in the sun, hood flutter, or God forbid you want to deal with the hood flutter, you're still drilling holes for like hood pins or hood latches or anything like that. So it ends up being about the same amount of work. So after a lot of research, I ended up going with ANSICS. Obviously, I really like their design. I like how finished it looks. I like that it is kind of an OEM plus vibe, because that's really what I'm going for with my build, right? I like something that's, you know, subtle, not flashy, can just kind of blend in with traffic. Maybe I've gone too far. Anyway, I'm gonna back this thing into the garage. We're gonna get to work chopping it up. I'm at my dad's house today. He's got a bigger garage. Neighbors are further away, so the noise isn't gonna be an issue. And he's got some more tools as well. So we're gonna be using a circular saw blade, a Dremel just to kind of round out the edges, and then some silicone RTV. So yeah, it should be pretty easy. Wish me luck. Surely nothing horrible is gonna happen. Last thing, if you guys are watching this on YouTube, feel free to follow me on Instagram at hauling.86 and check out ANSICS Auto as well. They make some great stuff. I'm running their fully weighted shift knob in my car right now. A lot of support for the 86 platform. Definitely a more track focused brand. So if you want, check them out. Thank you, ANSICS. You guys make great stuff, and I will be back for more. Let's do this. Guys, we are just about done. We got the hole cut in the car. We're gonna hit the edges with Rust-Oleum just to seal them up, and then I'm gonna apply the RTV silicone around the edges just to get that seal set up. So it's coming along, it's looking good. Well, guys, that is it. We are finished up with the install of the ANSICS Auto GR Cup hood vent. I think it looks amazing. I'll give you guys some cinematic shots here. Relatively easy install. It took about 3 to 4 hours, but that's really because I'm awful with an angle grinder. But we got it done. Fitment is great. The quality of the plastics and the fitment on the car is absolutely amazing. And shout out to ANSICS for including a template. That saved me so much time. But yeah, that's going to do it for today's install. I'm going to go take a shower because there's like metal shavings in my hair and shit. But next video is going to be about the Brahms seats that I already installed. I'm not sure if you can see, but they are in the car. So I'll be doing a full review of the Brahms seats. I'm super happy with those as well. But that's going to do it for today. So as always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm Zach, and I'll see you in the next one.